Hi, for today's video is how to share a Spotify playlist. You can easily share a Spotify playlist with friends and family by clicking the share option on the playlist page. You can share a Spotify playlist via text message, email, or on social media. Simply copy the link or paste wherever you want. The process behind sharing Spotify playlists looks very familiar on desktop and mobile apps. So, to do that, first is open your Spotify. Next is tap your library at the bottom of the screen. Open a playlist you wish to share from the list of playlists. Tap the three dots. Then press share. And here you can copy link, send on WhatsApp, Messenger, feed, stories. You can just search on where you want to send. And that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!